Hello, today I'd like to make this pretty little card for you. It's using a hostess set, which is leaving in the catalog that expires June 1st. And I just think it's an absolutely beautiful set. It's called Tranquil Tulips. And you can only earn it as a hostess for your rewards for your order. If you have a large order now, your own hostess, you could use it for your rewards as well. So this is actually the card, and this is another one I've started making. So we're going to use the white, Whisper White Thick though. So I just wanted to let you see different ways you can make them, and I just think it's a stunning two-step stamp set. So let's get started on that, and I'll show you what we're going to use today. So we're going to need a piece of the thick Whisper White, and this measures 8.5 by 5.5 and is scored at 4.25. Then you will need a piece of Whisper White, just regular thin Whisper White, regular cardstock, and that measures, you could go with 4 by 5 because we're going to cut it down anyway. And then you'll need your backing, which will be basic black cardstock. And this measures 3.25 by about 4.5. So we're going to cut this white down smaller than that. And then you will need some scraps. I have some Calypso Coral, a piece of white, and a piece of black, and I have another little piece of white here in case I need that. And what that is for is our sentiment, and I'm using the Special Celebrations set 2 of 2. There's 2 parts to this stamp set, and I'm using the Congratulations stamp. So I'm going to stamp it in white, and I don't know yet whether I'm going to do it in black or both. So we shall see. And of course the ink will be Calypso Coral and Old Olive. So let's get started on our card. So first we have to stamp our tulips. And like I said, we're going to use Calypso Coral. Yeah, that one. Let's see. I need a biggish block. Put that there. How about that? Yeah. Leave that right now. And we need to stamp our green, which I'm using Old Olive. And we will put it about right there. Pretty cool, right. And that's it for right now. Now we'll take our Calypso Coral and start stamping our tulips. Now you could use different colors, whatever colors you want, but I'm going to use Calypso Coral. So, on there. Supposed to look like a watercolory type stamp. So stamp it off here. Oh, dropped it. And then we will use the second step. Oh, I still need that. The second step is this little part. Oh, I forgot. You will also need some black ink for the little insides of your flowers, like your little seedy parts. Don't know what they're called. Little pips. Right. So then you just stamp right over your tulip. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I just think it's gorgeous. And that. And there we go. Oh, stunning. Absolutely brilliant. So we'll put this away again right now. Now you can stamp some leaves. So let's do that. this should be big enough. There's a bunch of different stems. You know, as you can see, there's a bunch of, got these stems, leaves. You got more little flowers, and this is the part for the centers of your flowers. I mean, it's a pretty, pretty little set. I think the flowers are stunning. And we will just stick a leaf there. Yeah. And how about one here? There. It's going to get cut down, so it's not going to matter what it looks like at the bottom anyway. We're going to cut it down. And maybe stick one here. And we'll put one there. Yeah, that'd be good. Oh, I just dropped this block on the floor. Right. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this down. And my black measured, forgot, so it has to be smaller than this, just under 3 1/4. So let's see, we're going to have to make this to about 3. Let's do it here. Yeah. And then this measures, I forgot, just under 4 1/2. So let's see. We will go to, here's your 4 1/2, and we'll go 3 over. So 3/8 over 4 1/2. Should be good. Let's check that out. Oh, no, I went too, did I say 4 1/2? Just under 4 1/2. I went way too big. Huh. Why is my measurements like way up? That looks so deceiving. It has to be smaller. So it's, oh, it has to be smaller. Duh. I'm going the opposite way. Instead of bigger. Alright, let's see. You will be perfect. Alright, just cut it to fit. Okay, so this measures just under, so it's 4 1 2 3/8. And this is just over 4 1/4. So just cut them to fit. I will have all the measurements and supplies on my blog. No worries. Now I'm going to use my liquid glue and just glue this together. It's a really quick and easy card. There we go. Gorgeous. Look at that. I think it's stunning. Alright, we need to get the black. I have a black memento I will use. And just a little, these little black dots that go above your flowers. So you just put it, like, center it above your little curved part up here. There. Oh, I think it just makes the flower amazing. I love it. Right, now, that is that. Now we can put this on our card. Yeah, like white. I'm going to leave it plain. I just like it plain. I think the flowers make it pop. We don't need anything else on there. So let's glue this as well. And center it on your white card base. Wow, look how pretty. Let's see if I can straighten it a tad. No, maybe, no. Oh well, it's on here now. Okay, now for the sentiment, like I said, I was going to use congratulations. Now it's up to you what color you use. You can use black, you can use Calypso, or you could use Old Olive. And I'm going to use Old Olive on the, or maybe I'll use Calypso. Yeah, let's use Calypso. Because I'm going to put it across the grain, so we will use that. And take out our congratulations. And stamp it. Didn't do very straight. Let's try again. I can always turn it over and do it again, but let's try this. That's better, much better. So fix that one. Just cut it on an angle and make it straight. Okay. Get my wee cutter again. And cut off our sentiment. I just wanted it really small. I think I'm going to use scissors to finish this up. Let's see. I kind of did chop that, didn't I? Well, you know what? Let's do this one. And then there. Oh, much better. And there. Oh, congratulations. Do I want it on black? Or do I want it on Calypso? Let's do it. Oh, try this way. How about black and then Calypso? Right, right. So just glue this onto your black. And we'll trim that off. Should I just leave it like that? Nah, let's try it with orange too. I say orange, it's Calypso Coral. Now we'll have all the measurements and supplies that you need for this card. And remember, it is a hostess set, so you would have to earn it. You can either have a party, tell your demonstrator, if you have a demonstrator, that you'd like to earn this set, and she will help you earn it. Or if you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to earn your business, and you can contact me and let me know if you need any help or if you'd like to earn this set. I think it's a stunning, gorgeous set. So easy to do. It makes it, you know, it looks so difficult. Oh my goodness, come on, glue. I stood it up instead of leaving it laying down. All right. There we go. And I'll just put that across there on an angle. Now you can put some bling on here, some gems, or a little ribbon or something. It doesn't have to be plain. Yeah, I didn't do anything on them ones. I do have some others, and I used contraband for them. But there's this one, and I did congratulations, and this is a different one, but I like that writing. And I like the big tulip in this one. And then on the inside, I wrote, congratulations on your special day. And I put 2 tulips down there. And in this one too, contraband sentiment. It says, just a note to say thank you. And your different tulips. I didn't do the inside of that one. Let's see, do I have any of those? Oh gosh, yes. Here we go. I did this one with... oh, what's the name of this? Trellis something in Stampin' Up. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it in the chat. And same thing with the tulips. And then inside, congratulations. And then I wrote, wishing you happiness today and every day. And then this one is a bouquet of good wishes with a bouquet of tulips. Nothing inside that one. And this one is the same thing, a bouquet of good wishes, and inside on your special day with a flower. So you can do so much with this gorgeous, gorgeous little set. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day now. Bye-bye.